really fall in love with the journey and not really the destination. Before coming across multifamily, you never really thought that you could invest in something like this just as a normal person. What investing in multifamily can do has really opened our eyes and has really like pulled us in a lot. We were actually looking in single family space. And then we came across syndications and then started doing our research on that. We wanted to invest in California because that's kind of all we knew was invest in your backyard, be
Hmm.
able to drive it, be able to see it. But like none of the numbers ended up making any sense for us from what we wanted to do financially. We needed a lot of doors in single family in order to create that passive income that we were looking for ourselves and for our family. And so that's why when we found multifamily, the model seemed to work. It seemed to fit like what we were looking to do and be able to accomplish it that much faster. When we started our syndication journey, it's like, wait, you can buy apartments? Like you can actually do these kinds of things. How do you create value in the apartments, and how would you guys get paid as operators? How do passive investors make their money? What happens when tenants they don't pay, and so all these questions come up. To start off our multifamily journey, we invested passively in a couple of deals ourselves just to kind of get our feet wet, understand like what the process is, seeing how other operators work, and proof of concept kind of thing. And it worked out really great for us. We found that coaching has been really helpful for us to be able to really educate ourselves in the space. You go to college, you invest in your college education, and you
Yeah.
spend a ton of money on it. With stocks, I find that I leave it up to the market a lot. I'm not able to control what happens
Hmm.
with the stocks. But within multifamily, we have more control, more options of what we can do. Especially with the syndication space, we found that, it's more of a team sport. I think when we jumped into real estate and really got serious about wanting to become successful in this space from a personal level, from a business level, from a family level, everything so far has been impacted by that one decision to actually go into real estate and wanting to be successful in it. It's something that is really important to us to be able to create and be able to pass it on to our children as well, being in multifamily and being in real estate, being able to share that with them and showing that we can create these spaces where, we're a little bit more secure. We're not dependent on having to just work a W-2 job. We can create these other streams of incomes that in the event that something happens, we're protected in those senses. Wait, you can buy apartments? Like you can actually do these kinds of things.